how to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will make you a lot of money. So for this method, we will need two accounts. The first account is on Pinterest.com platform. If you already have one, that's good. If not, you need to create a new account. And the second account, we will need it in AmazonAssociates.com. So you need to write AmazonAssociates.com in your search bar and create your account in minutes, and then wait for 24 hours to 48 hours for your account to be approved. And when it's approved, you need to go to Amazon.com and log in with your email, and you will have this gray bar right here where you can be able to get your affiliate links. And after getting those affiliate links, we will go to Pinterest.com and search for posts that are viral on the niche that we are going to choose, and upload posts about this niche and align them with the affiliate link that we got from Amazon affiliates. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you need to choose a niche. So I'm going to choose the childcare and parenting services niche. Then I will hit enter and I will see the viral posts about this niche. As you can see, you have a lot of posts. I don't advise you to copy and paste other creators' posts. I advise you to be creative and take inspiration from these posts and go and create your own posts using Canva.com. And that's to avoid getting your account deactivated. So let's choose. So this is just an example, guys, because I don't want to make the video very long. So I'm just going to copy and paste one of these posts just to show you how you can do that. So you can just click on one of these posts, like this one for example, and download this picture right in here, download image, and your image will be downloaded. Then you click on create and you click on create idea pin, open link in new tab. Then you go to that new tab where you can be able to upload the image to create your own post. So as you can see, this is our post homepage. This is the image. We need a title. So let's go and get the title from the previous page. So let's take the title of this post. Here is the post. Let's take the title. Let's copy the title, copy, and go to Pinterest, type types of children's services. Then let's take the description. As I said in the beginning, you can always be creative and create your own posts, your own title, own description. You can even use ChatGPT for some help with that. And then the next step is getting a link from our affiliate links. So let's go and let's type our keyword, which is childcare and parenting services. So we're going to type our keyword on the Amazon.com. So let's type our keyword. It's not this one. So this is our keyword or our niche. And here we have a lot of books that we can sell. And this is a bestseller. So we can choose this one. So I'm just giving you an idea, guys. You can always look for more products or choose other products. I'm just showing you the idea. And after finding the product, you scroll down, you check the price, and you see if there's going to be a good commission for you. So just for seeing the price, you can decide if it's going to leave a good commission for you. Then you scroll to see if there is anything wrong with the product. If not, you proceed to get the link of the page, the product page. So this is the link that takes us to the same page. We copy the link, we go to Pinterest, and we leave our link right in here. Then we proceed to the next step, which is the most important step in creating a post, and it's the tags. So the tags is the main factor that will help the post reach a lot of audience and reach the targeted audience that is able and that want to, and that the audience that's interested in buying those kind of products, like the books for children and so on. So let's go to our tags and choose the tags that are aligned with our niche. So for example, let's start with children shoes, anything related to children, just select it as a tag. Children photography, parenting, also parenting quotes, parenting humor, anything that's aligned with your niche, feel free to choose it, and you can choose as much tags as you want. There is no limit in choosing tags, and make sure to choose only the tags that are aligned with your niche, because we don't want to show this post to a dog lover or a mechanic or someone who is not interested in the parenting niche or the children's services niche. So after choosing all the tags that you want to choose, you check for the last time your post, check the title, description, image, and so on. Then you hit publish. So your post will be published in seconds. So for this method to work, you need at least to upload 10 to 20 posts a day, and you need to focus on one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.